All right, traders, it is the 2nd of July, 2017. My name is Jameson. Welcome to Behringer Trading. We're looking at a daily vertical bar chart of Genworth Financial. The ticker is GNW. We have a bullish RSI breakout here. The STO is bullish. We have an established level of support. Looks like we've back tested this prior breakdown here, and we confirm this level here is support. So we have a higher low. But more important is that we had several sessions that could have broken down here. So we have an attempt to break down that rallied higher. We back tested it, rallied back within range. There's buyers here. And then we rejected the 50-day simple moving average, and we just blew up. I mean, this is very bearish. Yet, this is a higher low, right? And there is no downward follow through. So this tells me that it looks like bulls are eager to buy the dips that are present. And now we can see all these lower wicks that are present with prices closing at highs. It looks like we have some buyers here. We've regained the 50-day simple moving average. Look, I don't like this trade long term, but this is an opportunity to buy support, sell into this upper price objective. If we look at our risk to reward briefly, right where prices are trading, so we're at 377. So our downside is right about 6%. So, where do you stop out? Any close below these lows. So we're at 6% to support. And then if you get washed out below these levels, you have about 10% risk. So, knowing that, a full position, you lose 6%. A half position here, you're down 3% or so. So that gives you some tolerance. In other words, if prices break down, that gives you a chance to kind of average in here, add to the position. And then if we lose this, you still stop out. But instead of losing 6%, you might lose like 3%. However, you also have the potential to participate in this, an anticipated rally here. So we have, 6 to 7, 8, 9% on the downside. We have equal, 6 to 7% into the 200-day simple moving average, and then the objective is a 24% rally. So given the springs that are present, the failure to break down here, we're confirming this prior level of this breakdown as support. There's good odds in the short term that we're going to trade into this upper price objective of $4.70. We do have conditions setting up for a breakout of relative strength. We can see that the financials are actually, they've broken out and they're doing well relative to the actual markets themselves. On these breakdowns, again, you can show there's not a lot of selling volume. So we don't have a lot of buyers, so there's not a lot of, obvious signs, but I'm very keen to watching these observations that develop here. And this to me is bullish. I think this is a good trade, into the 200-day simple moving average and then into this upper price objective. I would take profits here though.